Next, we're going to be covering operation of a chainsaw. Since we've covered everything to do with safety, the first thing I'm going to recommend again is to read your owner's manual about operation of a chainsaw. First, set the chain brake. Obviously, turn your choke on. Once you start to stall, they may or may not have some type of priming system. Once it starts, you let it warm up for a minute. You're ready to go. Release the chain brake. Warm the saw up for a few seconds. The next thing that we want to talk about are the products and chemicals that you want to use when running a chainsaw. Always refer back to your owner's manuals. But when it comes to running a chainsaw, you want to try to use at least 89 octane gasoline in your fuel. The second thing is you want to run primarily a high quality 2-cycle mix that is approved by your owner's manual. Now, a lot of people make a common mistake and they just stop at a convenience store and get some and they say 2-cycle oil. A lot of times the 2-cycle oil that they use says for outboard engines. Outboard engines are liquid cooled. All these products are air cooled, so please don't make that mistake because it could be very costly for you. Today, we're dealing with 10% ethanol in all the fuel that you buy primarily. You want to buy some type of fuel additive that combats the ethanol in the fuel so it does not create a long-term storage or running failure for you. You need to put some bar oil, which is lubrication for the chain when operating it. What you want to make sure you do is buy a product that says bar oil on it. Don't just use motor oil. The bar oil has an agent in it that is called a tacking agent. So when the chainsaw is running at 10,000 RPMs and you're running it for 30 minutes solid, it maintains the lubrication on the bar and chain and it does not overheat it, which causes the chain to dull faster, the chain to overheat and not cut as well.